Thousands of Iranians walked soberly through the streets on Tuesday for the funeral procession of President Ebrahim Raisi and 7 members of his entourage who were killed in a helicopter crash. Waving Iranian flags and portraits of the late president, the mourners set off from a central square in the northwestern city of Tabriz, where Raisi was headed when his helicopter crashed on Sunday. Iran's government has arranged multiple days of mourning, culminating in a funeral later this week for the 63-year-old ultra-conservative cleric who had once been seen as a potential successor to current Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei. Tuesday began with funeral prayers and a procession in the northwestern city of Tabriz, the largest city in the mountainous northwestern region of Iran, where the chopper crashed, according to Mohsen Mansouri, the head of the funeral planning committee and Iran's vice president of executive affairs. Later, the bodies of the victims will be transferred to the holy Shiite city of Qom, where many of the clerics who make up Iran's theocratic elite are trained, before then heading to the capital, Tehran. Large ceremonies are planned in Tehran's enormous Grand Musalla Mosque on Wednesday. Mansouri announced a public holiday and the closure of offices all over the country that day so that processions could take place. Raisi's body will then be moved to the historic Imam Riza Shrine in Mashhad, where Ayatollah Khamenei will conduct prayers, according to Mehr News. Raisi's burial ceremony is going to be held in the northeastern city of Mashhad in the shrine of the 8th Shia Imam Riza on Thursday evening. Among the notable officials attending the funeral ceremony being held in Tabriz today are people like Ahmad Vahidi, the Interior Minister of Iran. In a speech broadcast live by Iranian State TV, he said that if this incident happened in any other country, it would have faced a very bleak future. But he says with the reliving existence of the Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Iran will move through this event smoothly. Raisi's death follows a helicopter crash as authorities probe what caused the aircraft to smash into the side of a remote mountainside during foggy weather on Sunday morning. Raisi's death, alongside other high-ranking officials, including the country's foreign minister, has left the Islamic Republic's hardline establishment facing an uncertain future as it navigates rising regional tensions and domestic discontent.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.